Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you a pretty neat little text effect. It's not that big a deal. I'm going to put a little color to this, and I'm going to go to Object, Order, Back of Page. And then I'm going to take my text, and I'm going to make it a little light gray. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. While holding down the Shift key, I'm going to draw it in kind of where it's in the middle. I'm going to make it black. Now, if I go and put that in the back of the page, it's going to put it behind the yellow. But if I go up to Object, Order, Back just one, it puts it right there. Now I'm going to select both my texts. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. You can blend up to 999 times, but I wouldn't go 500 will get all the smoothness out. And that's a pretty cool text effect because it looks like a shadow kind of in the darkness. And if I would have made the, say the original text a little light, well, that's doing the whole thing. Let's just make the text now a little bit lighter. You could actually make it white. Well, let's make it white. See what it looks like. Not quite as cool, but you could right click it and put an outline around it. Ooh. So I need to click on the letter and I'm right clicking outline. And then you could make that outline any amount you wanted. I actually think it looked better with the gray. And then you could still put an outline around it. Yep, I think it looks better with the gray. And then let's just click on that letter and put an outline around it. Not that big a deal, but kind of a fun project to play with. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.